No,
regarding?
no, I don't have any. I don't have any questions in that.
Okay.
I want to
See,
hear once again. That's all.
okay. See, the thing is, there is Oracle HRMS. We have to do more practice. There is nothing like theoretical things. So
Okay.
what we are doing the practice, how means it depends on your things, like how much you are able to do the practice.
Okay.
How to do the practice. Theory, nothing is there in theory, just for basic things.
Okay.
Okay. So I will tell you. See, this is like the basic setups of Oracle HRMS. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So when we're doing any basic setups, last time just see. This is the first module, Core HR. Okay.
Uh-huh.
First and the most important module in Oracle Labs. Second, I show you Oracle Payroll, Time and Labor, I-Recruitment, Self-Service, Performance Management, Compensation Workbench, Learning Management. These are
Yeah.
all the modules. But when you're going to start, like you're going to implement Oracle HRMS, you have to the core HR.
Okay.
And this is the basic things like we will do all the basic setups in core HR with the help of system administrator.
Okay.
System administrator, is the thing, the admin. From there we have to do all the basic setups. So when you're going in practical thing, that time you will able to understand properly what exactly it is. Means how to process and how we have to go to system admin or in other, like other responsibilities. See, here I mentioned in system admin we will create all the user and responsibilities. Here it means user and responsibilities. User, like which company we are working, we have to create the user ID. So we have to create the name of that company. Its name is user. Okay. And responsibilities means, see, for company, like you have to handle either core HR, payroll, I-Recruitment, self-service, or maybe you have to handle all the modules. Okay. All the modules here we will say is responsibilities.
Okay.
Payroll responsibilities, HRMS responsibilities, all the responsibilities we have to create, and in that responsibilities we have to create all the their requirements. Whatever we are working, we have to work on that responsibility. Like for recruitment, we will work on recruitment responsibilities, and for salary we have to work on payroll responsibilities. For
Okay.
self-service, we have to work on SSR responsibilities. So their name is responsibilities.
Okay.
Flex field. See, flex field is like when we're creating the core HR, flex field should be, you can say the definition is they use to input the planning data into Oracle Labs.
Okay.
That is, the data is there. That's called the flex field. And in flex field there are two types of flex field. Okay, one is key and one is descriptive.
Okay.
Okay. Key flex field is like we will use the key flex field for mandatory information.
Okay.
So, mandatory means like if you're hiring any candidate, you should know about his name, his date of birth, his contact number, or his father mother name. Okay, these all the basic things we have to fill. This is the mandatory information.
Okay.
Mandatory information comes in key flex field. Or descriptive flex field means some additional information. Suppose your company, when they are recruiting, so they mention like I just want like name of the candidate, phone number, email ID, parents name. And in some cases, they should like they just want to know about their family description or their like some something personal or professional. It is not mandatory.
Okay.
If you are adding some extra thing, it is not mandatory according to your company side. So we'll use the descriptive flex fill. Use the descriptive flex fill means if you are adding anything extra, it is called a descriptive flex fill.
Okay.
Okay. So flex fill is there are two types of flex fill, key and descriptive. Key we are using for mandatory information, and this descriptive we are using for some extra information.
Okay.
Which is descriptive is not mandatory, but we can add. Depends on company to company. Okay. This core HR will create the organization, location, job, position, grade. See, when we are creating the core HR setup, okay, you just think like you are creating, you are like you're just planning for new company. So when you're planning to open any new company, first you should know what to do, right?
Okay.
Name, application, and what type of requirements are there, which type of requirements are going to hire. So everything we will do in the Oracle HRMS.
Okay.
We will create the organization. Organization means like when we are creating any company name, first we have to fill the company name. Either company name like you are not able to work for anywhere.
Okay.
You should know the company, right? Suppose you got the for interview call from company, any company. Definitely will know the company, right? From which company you got the for interview call or offer letter. Which location?
Okay.
Job, or which job and what position is there. So everything we will create here in Oracle, in core HR.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So all the basic setups we have to do here. And as I told you before, if you're going to create any other module in Oracle apps, anyone, but you have to first you have to set up of Oracle core HRMS.
Okay.
You have to do the core HRMS, then only you can go for other modules, any other module. If suppose some company are looking for payroll professional. Yes, you are going for payroll professional, but you should know the core HRMS. Without core HRMS, payroll people they can't do anything.
Okay.
Same like SSHR. Without core HR, they can't do it. They can't do anything in SSHR.
Okay.
So this is the you can see the mind of the core HRMS. Without mind, you can't do anything. You can't able to understand. You can't even learn nothing. You can see like this core HR is the mind of Oracle HRMS.
So core HR means administration and responsibilities, flex fields, profile, values.
Yes. Everything we have to define in core HR. Suppose somebody is asking you what is the if you have to create the profile value, so then how we will create? Then you can ask, you can tell them you will that I will create from core HR. You will create from core HR.
Okay.
In core HR we will do all the setups with the help of system admin. System admin is very good. We have to work on that. Okay. So see, in theoretical, it's for you, maybe you will feel bored or something bit difficult. But don't go for the things. Once you're doing the practical, it's very interesting thing.
Okay. Okay.
Very simple. It's very simple. But at least you have to know some tricks. If you know some tricks, definitely there is nothing is there in this.
Okay. Okay.
If you see for flex field, there are 6 flex field are there. Okay. All 6 flex field are key flex field, and anything if you are doing any setups, you have to define all the 6 flex field, and all the flex field are mandatory for creating any HRMS setup implementation. In that 6 is one is job, one is position, one is grade, One is competency, one is cost allocation, and last one is triple group.
Okay.
First one is job. I'm just telling you a roughly idea, just for your basic things, just for knowledge. In job flexible, like you have to know the which job name, job code. Job name, job code. See, if you're going for any company, they are giving the position like this is for SQL developer. And for each and every position, they are having their code, job code.
Yeah.
Okay. All are having. So it comes into job flex field. Same like position. Position is job, like in job we will mention like we are looking for SQL developer. Okay, and job code is 413. In position we will mention SQL means what? Senior SQL developer, junior SQL developer, their position. Position and reason we will mention. Reason means for which reason? Either for India, for US, for UK, which reason? And in India, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, where it is. And grade we will mention. Grade we will work use for both, for job, for position. Grade you can understand, like for someone like VP is for one grade. The software engineer, so manager is so second grade employee. Software engineer is third grade employee. Like that grade is there. In each and every company, either in government sector or in private sector, they are having their grade.
Okay.
So we can use for both job and as well as for position.
Okay.
Competency we will use like skill name. Can you doing for SQL developer, Oracle HRMS, Oracle Finance, SAP HRMS. All the skill is there, no? That is comes to competency.
Okay.
Same is like cost allocation is there and triple group is there. Means take it easy. I can understand like you are new, so it's a bit difficult for you to understand. Okay. So I'm just giving the roughly idea.
Okay. 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 No.
Okay. So if you're doing anywhere, like if you're going for any practical thing, that time you can understand. And one thing I just want to tell you, you will go for anywhere for training purpose, but try to give more time in practical things.
Yeah.
So if you are giving more time, don't go for theoretical things. No one is asking for theory questions. If you are good in practical, if you are not good in theory, definitely you will get selected. Okay. In HRMS, the depends on only on the practice. The more you will practice, the more you will comfortable with this. Because this is the functional thing. This is not any technical. This is not write extra.
Yeah.
And when you're going for implementation, they are giving the notes. They are giving the records. Okay. So we have to fill according to that. They are giving the sheet. You should not go you should not apply your mind on that. Like what I have to write or what not. They are giving all the sheet, and according to that sheet, that column is their name. Fine. One like suppose you can take examples. I'm giving you one sheet. Name is Mr. Like for your name, Surekha. Job is for Oracle HRMS. Job code is 4123. Same like if you saw in window, name is there. The same thing you have to write, copy paste. Same thing.
Okay.
So nothing is there in Oracle HRMS. See, when we are working whole year, we are working only for 2 months maximum. Once we will do the setups, rest 8-10 months we have to apply the same thing. You should not go internal.
Okay.
So we are saying, I have experience because even I started when I did the training and I came to training only. So when I came in the industry, I came to know before when I went for this training. For me also it was very difficult. That time I thought, what is this? Not able to understand anything. Blank. So, but when started for practical, that will be, then you will find the interest. And it's very easy. Very easy. Then nothing is there.
Okay.
Just understand in rough idea. Don't go for the science thing. Just take it in your own idea. Like for yes, core HR is what? Now you can see the example. Yeah, this is the mind. Without mind, you can't do anything. If somebody will ask, you can just remind you in your mind, and you can give the answer. And you know the main thing and one of the best thing in Oracle HRMS, many companies, if you're going for interview, you'll see 90% questions are same in all the companies. Who is taking the interview, they are also know the same question for interviewer. Like both interview means like applicant and interviewer. Both, everyone are reading the same question. There is nothing is there in Oracle HRMS. Yeah, I'm telling you because when I'm taking the interview, the same question I am asking, the same answer is given, he or she. Because we don't have anything to ask.
Okay.
It depends, like if someone is having 10 years of experience, their language is a bit different, but their answer will be always same.
Okay.
So once you will read the questions, 90% in questions they are asking the same thing. And in industry there is very less people in Oracle apps. Okay, so we'll get the good chance. And for girls, because we are always preferred for female candidate in Oracle apps, and there are very less female candidates are there in Oracle apps.
Okay.
Good chance, like you know, if you learn Oracle apps anywhere, but you should do the practice properly.
Okay.
Not doing the practice, and if you read this, you will forget. When you are doing the practice, that time you will come to know so many small things which are important, for, like you know, in interview for your knowledge, which you will not able to study in practical things.
Okay. Okay.
See, starting it will be difficult. Agree, it will be difficult. Like I know in your condition, like maybe you're not able to understand all the things. When you come and go, like same things there, right?
I can understand all the things what you are telling, but only I can't remember their names, flex fields, that kind of names I can't remember, but I can understand. But what you are telling, what is responsibility, what is create organization, all those things, jobs and positions, grades. So I can understand. Means I am not in working, but I can understand. But
starting thing you have to understand. First thing is you should be understand. Secondly, you should learn about what exactly it is. Name, you should remind. So that's the reason I told you to do more practice on Oracle apps.
Okay.
The more time you are giving, it will be good for you. You will never forget. Once it will come in your mind, you will never forget.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose when you did the practice, good practice on Oracle apps, like we will do the control delete, then also it will not delete from mind. It's a very simple thing.
Okay.
Starting it happens, I'm agree, but it's okay. Just you have to give some time.
Okay.
For this, like you should not give for every day 4 to 5 hours. If you give 2 hours, that is more sufficient.
Oh, okay.
Only 2 hours. See, here you know what the thing is. Now, I saw in my professional life, people, they are saying, oh, Oracle apps. Means they are treating like this is too much stuff. Means they are treating like this is the rocket science. So, because of name only, Oracle name is there. Because of name, people will be not interested.
Yeah, name is Oracle, right?
But nothing is there. You can see whatever you study in your master's or bachelor, if you are over for Oracle Labs, you will give only 20% of that study. That's it.
Oh.
Only name is like big name is there. That's it. Internal nothing is there.
Okay, okay.
Study 1 month, you will fully, around you can give, you can crack all the interviews.
Okay.
And it happens in girls like, our name, who will go, it's fine, even I'm okay in like basic things like that same HR policy and manual HR.
Okay.
But it's good in Oracle apps. Like if demand is there, the name is a hi-fi name, but internal nothing is there. Yeah, that's fine. You get the good job, it's good salary.
Let us see. Yeah.
I'm not like doesn't mean so I will saw so many things. Even I have my own experience. Because see, suppose there is very less people in market, like a lab. And if people are less, then competition is also less. We'll go for Java developer. You can see so many Java developer are there. So anyway, if suppose one position is there in Oracle Labs, okay, then there are 10 candidates. In 10 candidates, one position are there. If you go for some other vacancy, you will see 10 position. So it's for 100 and the position are 10, but people are 100. So that time here Oracle Labs competition are less. But you have to do only practice. Nothing on this. Like, this is the implementation step of Oracle Labs. Like why same define 6 KFF means 6 flex field, key flex field. KFF means flex field.
Okay.
Your job, grade, position, competency, cost allocation, group. And these 6 are must.
Okay.
If you left one also, again you have to go back, again you have to create, then only you can go further.
Okay.
This is must. After that, you have to define the business group. Business group is a company. Business group means which you can say any company can take the you have any idea about like what is multi-organization?
Yeah.
Multi-organization means like one company they are having different sectors or units. You can take the examples of Tata or Reliance. They all are multi-organization.
Yeah.
Okay. So suppose you are working on a multi-organization company, and you have to you have to implement the core HR, and you have to implement the HRMS.
Okay.
But in multi-organization, suppose you are in Reliance, okay, you have to implement Oracle Labs. But in Reliance, this is a multi-organization. You should mention like Reliance for which which sector. Either Reliance jewelry, Reliance IT, or Reliance petroleum. So in that thing, what will be defined? For which sub-organization? That's called the sub-organization.
Okay. Okay.
See that Reliance is organization, okay, and this Reliance Trade, Reliance Jewelry, Reliance Petroleum, these all the companies is called the sub-organization.
Okay.
Same like Tata. Tata is an organization. Tata Steel, TCS, or the other things, they all comes into, we will call it sub-organization.
Okay.
Sub-organization you will create for department, like for finance department, for HR department, for sales, marketing, everything. So business group is the, you can say the Tata. This is Tata. In that you have to define the sub-organization, or like Tata for Tata Steel. Okay, like I have to create the payroll for which company? I have to create the payroll for Tata. Tata is organization. Tata Steel is sub-organization, and in Tata Steel I have to create for HR department.
Okay.
These are the process we will do in business group. Got this point?
Yeah.
What happening in business group? Okay, so after that we have to define all the 6 KFF to the business group. In starting I defined 6 flexes. After I define business group, after all the 6 flexes we have to assign to the business group.
Okay.
It means like in business group, sorry, KFF, as I told you, job position, grade, competency. So these all 6 things is key thing, keep it flexible, this is mandatory, and we have to define all the flexible for business group.
Okay. So 6K FFS means 6 6
Key flexible.
they are job 6 means
6, this is the job, grade, position, competency, working location, keeping there are 6 flexible.
okay, okay, okay.
There are so many flexible, okay, so many.
Okay.
But these 6 are mandatory
Okay, okay.
to sign. We will not let anyone. We have to define all the 6 flexible. Then only we will go further.
Okay.
Okay. Just like for a human body, you can take the example of human body. Eye, nose, mouth, hand, everything is mandatory, right? Everything should be there.
Yeah.
These are the key flexible. Everything is mandatory. You can take the example of hair. Hair either should be short or either should be long, right? It depends. It's called the descriptive flexible.
Yeah.
Okay, but hair is mandatory. Either short or long isn't descriptive.
Okay, okay.
Okay, take the examples like that, so it will be easy for you to understand.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to define the responsibility. So once we assign this flexible business group and all the flexible to the business group, we will add this. Then we will define the responsibility. Then we will, once we create the organization, then we will go, okay, for I have to create the salary for HR department, or I have to create the salary for sales department. Or, so these are the responsibilities we are defining to responsibility.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will assign the responsibilities to the user. So whatever we define responsibilities, we have to connect to the user. Means we have to connect to the company.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have to set the profiles. Here, 3 profiles are must. City profile, business profile, and city business. And one more is there. Over to you. One more is there. Sorry, these 6 flexible are there. So we have to set the also 3 profiles are there. So we have to set all the 3 profiles to the business group.
Okay.
Okay. No, sorry. 3 one is security, one is business group, and security business group. One is user. There are 3 profiles. Mandatory profile. User profile, business group profile, and security profile.
Okay.
So, as I told you, theory is different from practical. So when we come into practical thing, that time we will come to know. At that time we can fully understand what exactly it is.
Okay.
Okay. This for theory, and I will show you another PPT. I will show you. See, this is a factual definition. You put the planning data into OracleHRMS.
Okay.
Key flexible is managing. See here, this is flexible. Job, grade, city group, position, cost allocation, competency. In this 4, okay, it's a cost allocation and people group. Okay, you can see that 3 number and 5th number. This two we are using in payroll. When we are implementing the payroll, that time these two flexible we are using. Okay.
Okay.
Third and fifth one, people group and cost allocation. And rest four we are using in storage. Okay, but when we are implementing the core HR, that time you have to create all the 6 flex fields. But in all 6, in core HR we are using only 4: job, grade, title and competency. Sorry, job, grade, position and competency. And rest, people group and cost allocation we are using in payroll.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. This is the definition, it is a for business group.
Okay.
Benefits regulation. And,
Okay.
Rather than for payroll I have, but think see, I'm just giving you the rough idea. Okay, payroll, you know what is payroll? Creating the salary process. What we are doing in salary, here that is called payroll process.
Okay.
Salary. Okay. There are 2 types of elements are there in payroll: earning or deduction. Okay, earning, whatever you earn. Deduction, it comes into like there are a lot of deduction is there, PF, PDS.
Okay.
It comes to deduction. Earning, whatever you are earning, all the benefits. Processing type means there are 2 processing type of recurring and non-recurring. Recurring means every month whatever you are getting the salary, HRA, DNA, this is salary. You will get non-recurring bonus, or some companies, many companies are there giving yearly some gifts to the employees, bonus. So it's coming to non-recurring. Because see, like recurring is every month whatever is getting should be fixed. Non-recurring, you are getting 6 months or yearly extra benefit. Like bonus, see, bonus every month you are not getting, right? You are getting either month or yearly, depends on company value.
Okay.
Whatever is not fixed, that comes into recurring, and whatever is fixed, whatever is not fixed is coming to non-recurring element, and whatever is fixed, that is coming to recurring element. Okay. HRA and all, like salary opening. These are the links are there. In a starting phase, it will be difficult for you to understand the payroll. Payroll is only for payroll you have to do bit more practice than others.
Okay.
And one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever you are getting any payroll, okay, first process we have to take the date first in payroll.
Okay.
Suppose you have full life, your whole life, wherever you are going for OracleHRMS as a OracleHRMS consultant, and you are doing the implementation of payroll. Starting from first step should be we have to take the date.
Okay.
Then we can go further in payroll. One of the one of the important things, and people will forget this thing only.
Okay.
They will just go implement, and later they will see our date. So once you will first you have to define the date. And this is like we are doing the mistakes on this. So always we remember this part. You have to create the date first. You have to set the date first.
Oh, okay.
And in payroll, like there are so many things like advance pay, RetroPay, and Quick Pay. These are the elements of payroll.
Okay.
Some companies are like rollback. Rollback means if you did any mistake in payroll, once you finish the payroll, and later you found you did one mistake. So what we will do? So we will use the rollback process. It is the process. So through rollback you can solve that issue.
Okay.
Same like advance pay means if some company they are giving benefits to the employee that they will take the 1 month salary before. Suppose this is April is going on and for some urgency or some because of personal reason or any reason I need 1 month salary in advance. Many companies are giving to the employee. So for that, suppose you have to give any advance salary to any employee, that time we will use advance pay.
Okay.
Setups. It is a setup. You have to do this setups. And quick pay, like suppose you created thousands of people payroll. Okay. Because in Oracle will not create one by one. Will create same time for 1,000 employees.
Okay.
And suppose you did like you have record, and suppose the manager they will suddenly they ask like I want Mr. Ram details. Give me his details. So what we will do that time? We will not go and search for all folder, right? That time we will do the quick pay process. We just set up the screen, and within 2 minutes we will get all the details of that candidate.
Okay.
It should not go not go on all.
Okay.
Because the benefits in Oracle apps, like once we will do the setup, full year we have to work on that same setup. If any new candidate is joined, we have to add new things, name and their details.
Okay.
Advantage like you should not go through old process, but it's simple. It's not tough. Just you have to understand the basic things, and you have to do the more practice. If you not understand basically, and if you're doing practice, that also is beneficial for you.
Okay.
Because once you're doing the practice, definitely will come to know.
Okay.
Because if you, and one important thing, if you did any mistake in Oracle app, any implementation mistake, you are not able to go further. So that is one of the best thing is also to know like that time, yeah, this is the mistake and I have to correct, then only you can go further.
Okay.
So these are the basic things of Oracle apps. If you have any question, you ask me.
No, I don't have any questions.
Actually, the thing is, I'm not going for more in theoretical things. I'm just going for only practical. So I don't have PPT on the payroll, sorry, on HRMS. Because see, this all the details you can get in internet also. Everything will get. If you search for questions and answers, you will get all the details. Otherwise, one website is there, it's called as Oracle Club. We'll get all the questions, all the details.
Oracle Club?
Yeah, Oracle Club.
Okay.
Type Oracle Club. Yes. So you have to log in and you get login. So login and password. So there you can get all the questions and all the definition.
Okay.
So definition question will be always same. You will just use the sometimes we use difficult word or it depends on wording, but meaning is always same. So main thing is only practical.
Okay.
So you have to give only more time in payroll rather than other modules.
Okay.
That is there in Oracle app. I don't have nothing to give theoretical thing in HRMS. If you have any question, you just ask me if you have any doubt.
I don't have any doubts.
Okay. You have any work experience or your passion in industry? What exactly?
I am not working actually.
Okay.
I don't have any experience. This is my first job I am going to do.
Okay, fine.
So I did masters also last 10 years back. So I
Okay,
forgot what is HRMS also.
fine, it happens. It's
So
not everywhere. Even we are doing the same thing. Still, after 10 months again, we have to go and we have to search what exactly it is.
yeah,
It happens. It's not the fault. It happens. So see, nothing is there in question will always be safe. And whatever I told you, if you're going for any training, anything, wherever you go, please do the practice. Please concentrate on practice.
okay.
If any trainer tell you theoretical question and answer, okay, fine, you just learn, okay, whatever is there suggesting you are theoretical. But according to my experience or my knowledge, do more practice.